Y'all ready for this?
Hard R's are always hilarious. Well, not when on the end of the N-word, but like...
No.
Yeah, but when it's supposed to be like, yeah, are you all ready for this?
do 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 do
do. Here's Darude-Sandstorm.
Dude, that's so weird. I just listened to that song the other day.
Really?
Yeah, because I have an Alexa.
Yeah.
Like the Amazon Echo. Mm-hmm. Which, you know, conspiracy theorists say you shouldn't have because they're listening to you.
Yeah. With their nefarious plots to play Darude-Sandstorm all over the countryside again.
But I was like, Alexa, play Sandstorm. Well, Susie was actually. She was like, play Sandstorm.
Damn.
And then it played Sandstorm, and I was like, Jesus, we were into this.
How does it go again?
It's like,
Please continue. Oh my God, Arin.
That's the whole song.
Yeah.
That's the whole song.
Oh my God. First of all, well, a lot of things really.
Fuck.
Firstly, looking at our audio capture is crazy right now. Secondly, looking at you doing that is crazy.
Yeah, that was some animalistic shit.
Yeah.
Oh, wait,
Thirdly,
no.
I love the idea of the thought that I could stop you in your tracks at any time.
And I'd just be fucking happy to give you Darude-Sandstorm, the live version.
You're like giving a eulogy, and I'm just like, Arin, how's Sandstorm go again?
My father, he was a great man, devoted himself wholly to his craft.
Arin, Sandstorm! You're a pilot, and I'm the co-pilot, and you're like, hey, all right, we're gonna be cruising at an altitude of 30,000 feet, and I'm like, Captain Arin, how does Sandstorm go? Everyone starts panicking on the plane. Oh God.
It could be one of those situations where we're in like a supervillain's lair, and it's like, don't make a sound. It's sound-activated walls.
Arin.
Whatever you do, don't play Darude You're not looking up Darude-Sandstorm,
No.
are you? Ooh.
Tell me. Do it.
Damn it. Tell you why. Do we build castles in the sky?
God damn it.
What?
Oh, I just wanted to learn how to say Arin. How does Darude, how does Sandstorm by Darude go in different languages?
In German.
Yeah. Da 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 da. No, that's Russian, sorry.
Wait, I wonder if I can blow up the thing.
Arin, how does Sandstorm by Darude go? This is the important shit.
You're making me giggle. Yay, it did work. Look at that. Fuck yeah. Got some spoils of war.
Arin,
I got a sweet ring.
comment fait le tempête? Comment fait le tempête? No, that would be Spanish. La tempête de sabal de Darude.
Yeah.
I love it.
Thank you. Oh God.
Oh, sorry.
No!
I said too many and
No!